Namaste, greetings to everyone. This is Dr. Jira Joshi, yoga researcher, holistic counselor, integrative consultant, elusive yoga tutor. Welcome to the world of elusive yoga. Nowadays, yoga is practiced globally in its different forms. There are over 300 million yoga practitioners in the world. But how to check which yoga is suitable for each person? It can be checked with the help of progressive symptoms of yoga. Today, we will elaborate progressive symptoms of yoga. These symptoms will help us to know whether we are practicing correct yoga practices or not. Today, different forms of yoga are practiced globally, like restorative yoga, vinyasa yoga, Iyengar yoga, power yoga, hatha yoga, ashtanga yoga, kundalini yoga, and so on. The contemporary yoga tradition holds the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali to be one of the fundamental and text of yoga. When different forms of yoga are practiced in different ways globally, how to check that one is walking on right path or not? Whether our yoga practice is leading us in right direction or not? This is very important to know. This is very important question. Shweta Shvetaropanishad mentions the checklist to confirm whether we are walking on the right path of yoga or not. Let us see that what will happen with us if we are following or if we are on the right path of yoga. Shweta Shvetaropanishad mentions that if we are practicing correct yoga practices, very immediate and important symptom develops in the body, that is laghutvam. Person starts feeling lightness of body and movement. Person starts feeling more energetic and due to proper circulation of prana throughout the body. Correct yoga practices also leads to arogyam. Person starts feeling more healthy due to improved functionings of the organs and body systems. Correct yoga practice provides the alolupatvam. These are all Sanskrit words. That means alolupatvam means the peace of mind and happiness to the practitioner. Psychologically, practitioner starts feeling more contented and enjoys satisfaction of life. As a result of this, his cravings or desire starts decreasing. Mind fluctuations stops and person can better focus on his or her work. Shweta Shvetaropanishad also mentions that regular practice of yoga, correct yoga practices can develop Varna Prasad. That means clear complexion. Correct yoga practice ensures the healthy skin. Next progressive symptom is Swara Saushtho. Person starts developing strong and beautiful voice. Each body has a particular kind of smell. Correct yoga practice ends up in Shubhagandha also, which means clear and pure smell. Next progressive symptom can be seen as Alpamutra Purish, which means less excretory products. Regular correct practice of yoga leads to contentment with peacefulness of mind. As person is contented, he or she feels happy with less food intake. This results in less excretory products. Hatha Yoga Pradipika is another authentic text of yoga from Hatha Yoga style. Hatha Yoga Pradipika also mentions checklists to confirm whether our yoga practice is proceeding on the right path or not. Here are few progressive symptoms of yoga from Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Very first symptom is Krushavapu, that means lean body. Hatha Yoga has promoted body cleansing practices in initial practices. As a result of various body cleansing practices like different kriyas and pranayamas, body fat starts dissolving. Person starts getting lean body. Next symptom is Prasannavadan. That means there will be a glow on face. Due to regular flow of prana, skin becomes healthy. Person gets calmness of mind resulting in glow and happiness on face. Next progressive symptom of yoga is Nadasphutatham, that means sweet sound. Voice starts from umbilicus. When all nadis are purified due to correct practice of yoga, it regulates and soothes the voice flow from umbilicus to vocal cord, leading to sweet and clear voice. When a person is following the right path of yoga, very important signs he develops, that is Sunirmal Nayan, that means pure eyes. Pure eyes like a baby, like a toddler. Right practice of yoga decreases all negative emotions from mind like hatredness, ego, misery, jealousy, etc. Person starts developing positive emotions like forgiveness, patience, love for all for all and starts getting innocence like a baby. All these psychological changes starts reflecting in the person's eye, resulting in pure eyes. Very next is very next symptom that person gets arogata, that is lack of disease. As all body organs and systems starts gaining health, person do not adopt any disease. Very important symptom is getting developed is bindu jaya, that means controlled libido. Chakra is a pranic energy stored places in the body. Bindu chakra exists at the cranium which have control on sexual desires. Sexual desires and activities consumes tremendous pranic energy. Correct practice of yoga provides control on Bindu chakra, resulting in control over sexual desires. Once the Bindu chakra is controlled, person starts following brahmacharya, that means celibacy, which has tremendous positive significant advantages. These are the progressive symptoms of yoga in Shveta Shvetaropanishad and Hatha Yoga Pradipika, which can provide us right guidance. So, one or more progressive symptom of yoga can start developing slowly and gradually if one is on the right path of yoga. Check this checklist and ensure whether we are practicing the right path of yoga. So, let us be healthy, be yogastaha, be 24 hours with yoga. Thank you so much.